Is one of your manufacturing lines underperforming? How can you prove it with your data? And that too fast. Here, you got product weight data from two lines, line A and line B. Staring at numbers won't help. So let's visualize it using BoxPlot in Minitab. BoxPlots make weird data jump out, quick, clean, and powerful. You go to Graphs, select BoxPlots. It opens up a window. You select 1Y with groups. Here, the graph variables would be the product weight, and the categorical variables in this case would be the manufacturing line, line A and line B. You press OK. It tells you a story where line A is a small box, meaning its process is consistent. On the other hand, line B, the whole box is higher and taller, which means it's unstable and unpredictable. The little star you see is an outlier, a major defect that's costing you money. In under a minute, we turn raw data into a clear action plan. That's the power of BoxPlot. Do you want to know more about Minitab? Let's connect.